Hi everyone. I feel rusty with this whole filming malarkey. The last videos you would have seen were the Lanzarote vlogs. We had a lot of fun, went on some solo adventures and relaxed and soaked up the sun. Although I don't look any different now, but I did get like this much tan, not really tan. I just looked like a normal person. I say normal person. I just looked a little bit healthier, a little bit more glowy. I wasn't tan. I didn't change skin colour or anything. Yeah, it's been a while since I picked up the camera to talk. I think this is going to be the Diary of a 26-year-old sort of video, just because I've had days that I could have filmed. I've been out with the lads that I support and had full days supporting them and activities and all of that. But I've been finding the last week quite intense, and I've been putting so much pressure on myself to upload for you guys and for me, and just to keep consistent. But I've also struggled with the pressure that I put on myself, and then it's made me do nothing. I feel like I'm only now catching up on like my energy levels that were depleted during Christmas, the holiday. Went on a few trips with the family, and now we're house sitting again. So we've been here before, so it's not like too overwhelming because we've been here before. But yeah, we're house sitting now in a couple of different houses until like the beginning of March, like back to back. So we're at this one. We've been at this one for 6 days already, and like in that 6 days, it's just gone like so fast, and I actually hate that. I hate how fast time's going. But in another way, I love it in the sense that, well, I can find comfort in knowing that time is going really fast if I've got a project or a time frame that's like a year or so to get to my goal, whatever, whether that be saving up to go travelling in a year or something, or how much my channel's hopefully going to grow in like a couple of years. And so yeah, I've got comfort knowing that time is going really fast to reach those points, but I also want to be living now. But I'm finding it difficult because my energy levels this week have just been on the floor. If I haven't been working, I've basically been in bed. I mean, I've done a few good things, don't get me wrong. Like I've done a few productive things and self-care things for myself, which I am proud of, but it doesn't seem to make a difference to actually how I feel, like physically and mentally. One of those things is I've been reading. I'm late to the train, but I've been reading. And when I say I've got my Nectar card as a bookmark because but yeah, I've literally only read this much, and I got that on Friday. So I don't normally read, but I have read, and I'm actually really enjoying it. Like I really see the hype, and that seemed to be a pattern throughout this past year, is that like I'm seeing the hype now of things. Like I never really used to like give a shit, to be honest, like about anything. I never really kept up to date with like the latest films that were out or books or trends. Like Mojo's just come and say hello, one of the dogs. She's a bit old now, bless her. if you hear her, it's because she's there making noise. But yeah, so yeah, as I was saying, I have done some productive things for me, but it hasn't seemed to help necessarily in my energy levels or like overall. Like in the moment, reading this takes me away from being on my phone and helps me be in the moment. I've been having loads of baths, just self-caring a bit, and yeah, I've been taking the dogs out for a walk every day. Yesterday went to Perranporth Beach, and I only took Rani because Mojo's very old and she would have struggled. We were out for almost 2 hours, so yeah. And I also did my first Spanish lesson, which sounds random, but like my thinking was, I think we're going to find a different tutor, because I didn't really, like, she was nice, don't get me wrong, like she was nice, but I just want someone else, and that's fine. But yeah, my thinking is, one of our anxieties, mine and Nathan's, of travelling is not knowing the language. So I was like, oh, well, I'll just learn the language. Didn't think it would be as hard as it is, and it's very hard. I don't know if that was just the style of tutoring that because you can book a trial lesson. I can't remember what the app's called. Like, I don't know how to pronounce it, but P-Reply is what it's called. Let me get it up. Oh no, hang on a second. I'm going to have to turn that around. Yeah, this is what it's called, the app. Stop that, Domino's, right now. It's not happening. I need to delete that app. I'd never ever get Domino's anymore. But yeah, so as I was saying, we are anxious about going travelling in the future. That is our goal. But yeah, we've been anxious about it because obviously foreign language, foreign country. So my brain was like, well, in order for us to sort of tackle that anxiety head on, I'll just learn some Spanish, because it's like, I was like Googling which are the highest spoken languages in the world, and it's like that and Mandarin. So I might learn Mandarin. I might try to learn Mandarin as well. I have done a bit of it on Duolingo, and oh my god, I was like, oh, I'm never gonna get this. But this is why I wanted to do the tutoring. You have a face call, you have a FaceTime link on there. You can choose like 25 minutes or an hour for your trial session. And then, yeah, my tutor was like jumping in the deep end sort of thing, and that's fine, but I don't want it to be like a learn Spanish. I want it to be like, let's learn Spanish, because I want to get it cemented, do you know what I mean? I want to know what I'm talking about and be able to have a conversation and read it as well. It was a very jam-packed lesson, and I did find it quite overwhelming, and it disheartened me, to be honest. I really got set back, and I was like, well, hopefully I can find another tutor that's a bit slower and reassuring and to my pace, because it was a bit scary, to be honest. And I did work like all day that day as well. I've gone off track a bit. Typical. Typical. What was I going to say? I can't remember, but hopefully, like, anyone listening to this will piece it all together, because it's just here, there and everywhere. But yeah, so basically I just need a minute, you know? I think I was explaining why I hadn't posted on YouTube. I've just been overwhelmed. I've been overwhelmed and in a sort of paralysis state where, like, I haven't, like, properly unpacked, I haven't sorted out my clothes. I still haven't done that, to be honest. It's not on my priority list. Like, it should be, because, like, your space reflects your mind, but, like, my space is reflecting my mind and it's everywhere. Like, I've got a bag over there, I've got a bag there, I've got a book there, I've got dishes there, I've got my straighteners, I still haven't unpacked for my holiday. And we got back on the 11th of January and it's the 20th of January and I still haven't unpacked. I've taken out, like, my makeup bit. Like, this is how I'm doing my makeup, just out of this. I've got my old phone in there that I edit my videos on. I mean, my bookmark is my Nectar card thing. I've got dog poo bags in my bag. By the way, love these bags. I want to get some. But yeah, I'm just showing you, like, just the reality, to be honest. Like, there's a pile of dishes that I haven't done. Nathan did some last night, but I've made more. More mess since then. I guess there's a bin bag over there that I need to take out. Mojo's back. Do you want to see her? Hey, Mojo. Aw. Hey, Mojo. She's cute, but, like, really loud, because she's got something wrong with her. All she wants to do is eat, but then when you give her food, she doesn't actually want to eat. I hear Nathan coming downstairs. But anyway, I'll just quickly wrap it up by saying, so I haven't posted, basically, in case you were wondering where I was. Probably not, but I'm back again. I am delusional. Delusional? No. I just feel crazy. I actually feel crazy at the moment. Like, I'm overwhelmed, in a paralysis state. My stuff is just cluttered everywhere. And I'm not normally this bad. And I'm just trying to share my reality with you, because I think that's what I'm passionate about with this channel, is sharing the everything of my life. I mean, sure, I'm here in makeup and I'm not, like, dishevelled, but at least I can tell you about it. I'm not that comfortable yet, like, showing you, like, the raw footage of me in bed or whatever, like, just saying, because I don't want to moan too much, but I want you to see the reality of my life and I guess my mental health is just, it's always been up and down, up and down, up and down. And whenever I feel up for a while, and then I can feel, like, my energy running out, and then I'm, like, worried about how it's going to be low for a while, and then whenever I'm low, I'm like, how am I ever going to be happy again? Like, last night I was crying and speaking to Nathan, venting to Nathan and stuff, but yeah, like, I'm still definitely on a low, but I'm coming back up, hopefully, because even though it's been a week, I'm probably experiencing holiday blues as well, to be honest. Like, I just want to get back out there, but the reality is I need to work hard, I need to play hard, and I need to keep, like, on track, basically, and not... I just can't... I just really struggle with routine and everything, and my life's becoming a routine because I'm working loads, save money. I just thought he was coming downstairs again and interrupt my flow. Not on purpose, obviously, but I just get distracted really easily. I get distracted even from my own mind. Someone tell me why. Like, I literally can't even remember. I don't even know if I'll post this, but it's just a good habit for me to just talk to the camera again after a while. Because all of the videos that you saw from Lanzarote, I had edited on the plane and I'd set to come out each day, so I didn't have to think too much for a while because I knew I was going to find it hard to get back in the swing of things, and I did find it hard. But yeah, anyway, I don't know what I've even told you at this point and what I've even spoke to you about, but I think I'm just gonna go now. It's 12 o'clock. I need to leave for work soon-ish. So yeah, I don't really know how to wrap this up. I'm not focused on anything. I feel very bizarre. But if you like bizarre, please subscribe. I'm really trying here, okay? Yes. Bye.